Oh, look at that mess. So my plan is to work on the RXZ frame and prep it for primer. So get the primer. So here is the primer. So we need some sandpaper. That's a heavy frame. And to lift it in one hand, it's not easy. There are some exposed metal bits here, some here as well. So I'm going to prep this area and then we are going to use the primer that we have. Prepping is nothing but a fancy way of saying that I'll be taking off some material from these places. So I did apply some primer on it, and I'm getting a feeling that it would be better to do some more stripping, because this doesn't look that good. So probably I'll use a wire brush attachment on an angle grinder and take most of the paint out. And it won't really cost much to give it for powder coating, so probably I'll do that as well. So let's see. Okay, so let's take off this paint. That was probably the worst idea, but you see, it is removing paint, but it has a bit too much of vibration, which is making me a little tired, and it's also affecting my back. So we have to do something about this. And the noise is horrible. This is definitely sketchy, but it's taking the paint off really well. And there is absolutely no effect on the metal. So if you notice, there was one more big horrific mess on this. The footrest was actually welded to the bike, so we'll have to shut that tiny hole which is here, so probably take it for welding. Another option is to burn off all the paint that is there on this presently, and kind of redo everything, but I think that would be a little too much. And the bike actually doesn't require that kind of a paint stripping, so this was just more of a test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this properly, and with a brush I will clean all of the rough stuff that is there, and then probably I think it would be better to use a rattle can and spray this, because powder coating the whole thing will be a little bit more involved, wherein they will burn the chassis and then take off the paint and then powder coat, and when they do that, this actually starts rusting. So that is one problem that we have on our hands. But I think if we work well, we can actually get rid of a lot of this stuff, which is very nice. And the good thing about the primer is it's actually covering really well. So I'm just thinking I'll clean the entire chassis, first pressure wash it, and then using some degreaser like these and remove all the muck which is there on the chassis, and then probably we'll go ahead and rattle can the hell out of it. I'm also going to do the same thing with the swing arm, because the problem with the swing arm is if you give that for powder coating, the swing arm bushes go away. And once the swing arm bushes, once the new ones are put, you will have to again use oxyacetylene flame to burn it. So that becomes another issue. So let's see what we can do about all this. So yeah, that was a fail. So we have to grind this bit off, we have to shut that hole. So probably we'll start with washing it properly, spray some kerosene, diesel, whatever comes handy, and then clean all this dirt on it, then probably start attacking those areas where metal is exposed. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to apply some primer on this area, which I took off using the wire wheel, because leaving the metal like this is not a good idea. Yep, so that was a fail. So that one was a fail. Write in the comment box if you want me to give this for powder coating. I don't want to give it for painting outside because that doesn't hold well. So it's either powder coating or I'm going to just rattle can it wherever it requires a lick of paint. But I'm not going to give this for painting outside. Okay, so let me know in the comments.